Okay guys, welcome to my channel. I'm home today. Before I change clothes, I just wanted to do an unboxing. So we got the new MacBook Pro 14-inch M5 chip. So you guys gonna see this. It's experience, you know, you're spending a lot of money, but it's experience. So I want you guys to listen, feel, and hear. So this is the tab. That's how it opens up. And then it lifts up this way and it lifts up this way. So it comes in this nicely packed box. Okay, nicely packed box. So I got my PlayStation here, got my system all set up here. We're gonna be doing a lot of gaming. So I wasn't able to connect to my Elgato, the 4K. So that's one of the reasons. Another reason was as soon as the iPhone 17 came out, nothing was working on my old MacBook. So we still got some more work to do here. So I think we gotta grab. I want to cover some of these serial numbers, but there's tab here and there's tab here. So let's do this together. There you go. Perfect. So I guess that's the warranty seal or the cover seal. And the way Apple box things is experience, okay? There you go. Oh, look at that. So this is the box. Always save your boxes. So we got in here, we have a MacBook. Okay, this is what I look like. Ooh, it's cold. It's gonna get used and abused to edit a lot of videos. There you go. Ooh, that feels nice. Looks nice, feels nice. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. So, still want to go further. Check that out. So we do have the USB-C port, the charging port, HDMI cable, another C port, and for my memory chip. That's very important to me. Put all of my videos in there, edit them, and there you go. First time opening that big, ooh, it kind of like lit up immediately. So this is another experience right here. There you go. Perfect. Okay, I don't even know where the power button is. I guess this is the power button. It's new stuff. So I'm gonna be doing my logging in and everything, setting up a little bit separately. So this is what this baby looked like. Okay, and I just want to go through the box a little bit. It comes with a manual book. Okay, just like that. Charging brick. So this is a 70 watt. You have the option to go, I think, what is it, 92 watts or 95 watts? I'm not sure. You have the option when you order it. So it is much smaller. Here's my old MacBook charger. Here's a new one. Look at the size difference. Okay, and it does open up like that, and wow, I like that. Okay, there you go. And I don't know if I can charge my iPhone through here. That connects there, and it's pretty long. The cable's pretty long. And there you have it, guys. So thank you for watching my unboxing, and stay tuned for a lot more videos that I'm gonna have for you guys. So it's pretty long. Okay, I can attach this somewhere down here, and one more time I want to show you guys before I go. And there you have it. Alright, so thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and see you guys on...
To use English as the main language,
press
the return key.
So I'm gonna be doing gaming. I will put a link down below after I edit a little bit. So I do have a channel for gaming only, and just want to show you guys my PS5 right there. We did get the Battlefield, which I'll be getting murdered in, but we're still learning and we're still getting better at it. So give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
macOS contains